Okay. Yes. So before the breaks, we had been doing a chapter of Vedic mathematics. We were doing Vedic mathematics. We will revise it, and then we will move on to the practical portion from the Vedic mathematics. Okay. Tell me, has is there any pending test paper that I haven't checked and sent yet?
So I don't think you've corrected the last test we have, which you gave me 16.5 marks instead of 17.5.
That was okay. Besides that, anything else?
No, ma'am.
No,
Okay. That I'll send Anaya. I got really occupied with coming back and then just starting with examinations. And now exams ended, so I have practicals on 20 and the 22nd. So classes we will do. Okay. If need be, I might change the time a little bit, or maybe just the same timing. So classes we'll do. Just preparing for those now. Okay. So let's begin. Hi, Simeon. Good morning.
Hello.
Vedic mathematics. Now, do you all remember what is Vedic mathematics?
The system of math that was discovered by an Indian mathematician and
Mm-hmm.
consists of
Okay. Yes, that's right. So, Vedic mathematics was developed by an ancient mathematician, okay, who gave methods, okay, various methods to solve different types of math problems. He gave various methods. Now, these methods were known as sutras, okay? They were known as sutras to solve the problems quickly, okay, to solve the problems faster without a lot of calculations, without very long, big, complex calculations. Okay, simple and faster. All right, so that's Vedic mathematics is. Can you tell me who developed Vedic mathematics?
Ma'am, Bharati Krishna Tirtha.
Yes, very good. Edric, that's correct. Okay, it was developed by Swami Bharti Krishna Tirthaji. You have to remember this name. Okay. In the early 20th century. Okay, now he founded 16 major formulas and 13 sub-formulas. Okay. He founded 16 major formulas. Okay. 16 major formulas known as sutras. Okay. And 13, he founded 13 sub-formulas, okay, known as sub-sutras, okay, known as sub-sutras. This is also important. You have to remember this, okay. All right. So these in the Vedas can be used to solve all the maths problems, okay. So now they say that the Vedic maths is not only about arithmetic, okay, but also covers the topics of algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, and more. Okay, so Vedic mathematics basically talks about the principle of unity, which says that everything is connected. Okay, everything is connected and can be simplified to a single entity. Okay, can be simplified to a single entity. Okay, so you have the written notes, right, of the meaning and importance, characteristics, everything that I did in the previous introductory session, right?
Can you just explain what's an entity?
What is an entity? Entity, Abraham, is basically something that is like, how do I explain it to you? One single entity can be like only one unit. Okay, like altogether something that is one unit itself. Okay, entity is basically a term used for a firm or any organization, okay, of one organization. That is basically entity. Here when I say entity, one entity simplified to one entity, it means that it comes to the whole thing, comes to one unit. Okay,
So, ma'am, if I have a lengthy equation, ma'am, and I can just write it is equal to x, and that will be one entity.
can you repeat the question? I didn't got it. I didn't get.
So, ma'am, if I have a lengthy equation, I can just write it is equal to x, and it says simplified to one entity, and I just write it is equal to x. Will that be correct?
Or will that be correct, Abraham? When we are going to do it, do the sutras, then we will know. Okay. In the Vedic maths, there is a simplified way to do everything. Okay. So we will have to see that how they have simplified. This is a little different from our basic maths that we do. Okay. So we have to check that how they are solving the algebra and the equations. Okay, what format they are using here. All right. Now, coming back to the questions, okay, we will try out some sutras. Okay, let's try out some sutras. Now, the one that we are going to try today, one second, let me just tell you the name of it. It is a sutra for addition. Okay, it is a sutra for addition that we are going to try out. Now see, this is very simple. Okay, this is very simple, and the sutra is known as Shunyant. Okay, meaning sutra ending with zero. Ending with zero. Okay, zero in Hindi is known as Shunya. Okay, so this sutra is known as Shunyant. What do we do in this sutra? See, it's a very interesting thing. Now, suppose we have to add, let's take an example. We have to add 76 and 87. Okay, 76 and 87. So, according to this sutra, how we will do it? We will take the first digits of both the numbers. Okay, first digits of both the numbers. So this is step one. Step one, that you add 7 and 8 together. Okay, how much is it? 7 and 8?
15.
15. Put 0. Put 0 after 15. Okay, for the next step. Then step 2 is add the remaining 2 digits. That is 6 and 7 to
Ma'am,
1.
instead of putting a 0, ma'am, can we put an X?
No, Abraham, we will not put an X, okay? We will not put an X. 6 plus 7, okay? So it's equal to 163. So the answer is 163. Okay. So basically what we do, this sutra is known as sutra ending with 0. Ending with 0 means that the first 2 digits we add up. What sum comes, we will put a 0 after it. Okay, we will put a 0 at the end. Okay, then do the remaining, then add the remaining numbers, add the remaining ones, and then add it to the previous one. Okay, add it to the previous one, that is 150. Okay, so this is how we solve in this sutra for addition. Okay, this is according to the sutra ending with 0, this is how we add. All right, understood this one?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, written?
Yes.
Okay. Let's take a look at another one. Okay. Now add 68, 53, 85, and 36. Can you do this and find out the answer using the sutra ending with 0? Just add the first 4 digits of every number, add a 0 to it, and then add that total. In that total, add the last digits of all the 4 numbers.
Ma'am, is it 242?
Yes, Edric. 242 is the correct answer.
Ma'am, even I got 242.
Good. 242 is correct.
Ma'am, I'm getting 282.
282. Abraham, recheck it. Check once again. We add 6 plus 5, 5, 8, and 3. Okay, which becomes 22. Put a 0. Then in this step 2, we add 220 plus
Ma'am, now I'm getting 242.
Yes, 242 is correct. 8 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6. Okay, so when you add it, we will get 242. Okay, 242 is the right answer. Now, what if we have 3-digit numbers? What if we have 3-digit numbers? Then what we will do? Let's, yes, Entry.
Ma'am, 3 digit numbers,
Ma'am,
first we'll take all the 100 digits of 3 digit numbers and then add it and then put a 0. Then add this number with all the second digit, then add a 0, then add that number with all the third digit, and that's your answer.
That's correct, Patrick. So let's take a look. I'll do one and show you. Okay, I have three-digit numbers: 532, 674, and 378. Okay, so step 1 is the same. 5 plus 6 plus 3. We will add them. Okay, we will get 14. Put a 0. Okay, then the second step. To the 140, we will add the mid numbers: 3 plus 7
ma'am,
plus
is it
6.
158? Is it 158?
It's 1584, Abraham. Okay.
No, ma'am, 158.
Yes, 1584. Okay. So 140 plus 3 plus 7 and 7, 1570. Okay. Then step 3, take the last digits. 3, take the last digits and add it to 1570. That will be 2 plus 4 plus 8. Okay, so it becomes 1584. Okay, our answer will become 1584. So now when you will have 4-digit numbers, it will become in 4 steps. Okay, you take the first number, add them, put a 0. Then to that, add the second digits of all the numbers. Then what you will get, put a 0. Then to that value, add the third digits. What you get, put a 0. Okay. Then to that value again, you add the fourth digits of all the numbers. If we have four value numbers. Okay. So like that we calculate in this sutra. Okay. Now another thing is, what if I have some numbers 2-digit, some number 3-digit, and 4-digit, a
Ma'am, then
mixture.
you'll take the 0 of the first digit of the number.
Yes. So let's
Ma'am,
try one question. Yes.
ma'am, first you'll add the 4 digits. Then to that you'll add the 3 digits. Then you'll add the 2 digits. And then you'll add the 1 digit.
Yes, we do something that's kind of similar to that. We will do separately. Okay, we do separately. Let's try with different types of numbers. Have you written this particular question? This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, Anaya.
Like, what if you have one 2-digit number, then one 3-digit number, then and then one only 1-digit number? Then how will you solve that?
Yes, so that only we are going to try out right now. Okay, that only we are going to try out right now. 937, 32, 61, 635. Okay, now in this question, I have two different types of numbers. Okay, 3-digit numbers and two-digit numbers. Okay, so first we will take the 3-digit numbers, that is 937 and 635. Okay. Step 1. Add 9 and 6. What will we get? 15. 15. Put a 0. Then step 2. Add the second digits of all the numbers. Okay. Add the second digits of
First digit of both the both the two digits.
no, we will take 150 plus. Okay, 9 and 6 we took. 9 and 6 is taken. But we will take now 3, 3, 6 and 3. Okay. 3, 3, 6 and 3. Okay. So we will get how much? 165. Put a 0. Then the third step, we will take 1650.
Ma'am, is it 1665?
Yes, Abraham, 1665 is correct. Add the last digits 7, 2, 1, 5. 7, 2,
16650. What?
5. Yes, 1665 is the correct answer. Okay, so how do we begin? We will start with the bigger numbers. Okay, if we have 4-digit number, you will start with the 4-digit numbers. Add the first digits of the 4-digit numbers first. Okay, then we move on to the second digit. Okay, the 3-digit numbers are there. So after the 4-digit is done, we will add the first numbers of the 3-digit numbers. Okay, then 3-digit is done, first numbers. Then we move on to the 2 digits, the second digits of all the numbers. Okay, the 4-digit, 3-digit, and 2-digit, the second digits. Okay, then the third digits we will add, we will keep adding till we get the final answer. Okay, so if similar digits are there, then directly you can do. Okay, if bigger and smaller digits are there, 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, then with the bigger ones you will start and then go to the smaller ones. Okay, this is clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, Abraham.
9. Ma'am, if I was to take 937 plus 32 plus 7, ma'am, can you show the working how it would be done?
Nine 32 plus 32 plus 7. Okay.
Ma'am, is because both of them is like a 3-digit, 2-digit, and a 1-digit. So can we do it or not?
3-digit, 2-digit, and 1-digit. I think it can be done, Abraham. We can take 9 from the 932, add a 0. I'm not sure if we can take the 7 with it or not. I'll have to solve it and verify. You guys can solve it and verify as well. Okay. Solve this and verify that. Will we take the 1-digit number along with the first digit of the bigger number, or we will take it at the last? Then 90 plus 3 plus 3 plus 7. 97.
Ma'am, it's
100.
971.
Ma'am, it won't be plus 3 plus 3 plus 7. you're going to leave 7 for the last along with the twos because it's a ones digit.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Ma'am,
90,
I got 976.
90 and 393 and 6, 96.
I got
And then,
969.
I got
okay,
91.
okay. 9, this will become 960.
I got
So 9,
960.
okay, 2 plus 2 plus 7. Okay, so 960 plus 7, 967,
Oh, I
968,
mean
9,
271, not 969. Sorry.
yes, 971. Okay, now do a simple addition. 932, 32, and 7. A plain addition and verify if you're doing it right or not.
Correct
Do a
only.
plain,
Correct, ma'am.
correct, correct, right? 971. Okay. So now, when you have single digit numbers, we will take it at the last. We started with the bigger number. Okay. Now, since 9 is the bigger number and 9 is the only 3-digit number, we only took 90. Okay. We simply took 90. Then, in the 90, we added the numbers that are on the second place. Okay. The 3 of 932 and the 3 of 32, and then in the last when we added the 2, 2 and 7, the single number. Okay, so the single numbers will be added at the last, and with the biggest number we start. With the bigger numbers we start. Okay, 971. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Man,
Okay.
so easy.
Okay, yes, easy, but I will still prefer the simpler edition. I don't know, this process is long.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
ma'am, but this one enables us to do it mentally, ma'am.
Enables us to do what?
Enables us to do this mentally. Like, if we have bigger
Mentally.
numbers, we can do it faster mentally than the other one.
Yes, that is right, Abraham. With the numbers, we can do it mentally faster. That is correct. Okay. So, in the Vedic mathematics chapter, you guys are only supposed to use the Vedic, okay? Like only using the sutras that we will learn, you have to solve. All right. 2 chapters we have in Vedic. So, the
Ma'am,
first one, yes, Abraham.
ma'am, but in the exam, if they ask a question and I'm not able to get the answer, can I use the normal ways? Because if I'm not able to remember the sutra,
Mm-hmm. Okay. Try to remember the sutra, but there is the thing, Abraham, that you only need to do with the Vedic, okay, with the sutra only. If you will do with the normal, then you might lose marks, okay? Because Vedic is about using the sutras. All right. Normal is different. Vedic is we have to do using the sutras only. All right. So that is why. Okay. Next sutra. Let's see what is the next one. Okay, so 19.1 is the homework for today. 19.1 is the homework for today. Okay. You have some additional questions that are based on the sutra that we just saw. All right.
Now, how many more chapters are there after the
2
19th?
chapters. 19th, after the 19th, one chapter is there on the Vedic mathematics. And I think one is there after that also. 2
There are
chapters
21
are there.
chapters.
Yeah, I think 21 or 20
Oh,
maybe.
only 20. Only 20.
By March, will the book get over?
20. Yes, by March it will be over. Yes, 20 chapters.
Then you will give us a final exam or something like that, no?
Yes, I can give a final examination. Okay, I'll give you all time to prepare, or we can take till you prepare, I can give you all a chance to, if you want me to do any chapter once again with you, okay, revise any chapter once again. That also you can plan and let me know. Okay, go through the book and
Like
let me
how we
know
did
that,
for science.
like
We did
how
for
we are doing.
science.
Yes, how we did in science. Okay, so I can take a revision of, but not every chapter. Okay, some particular chapters which were hard, that I can take a revision once again. So you all have to let me know about that. Okay. About the final examination, I'll confirm with sir once again, and then I'll get back to you. Okay. Okay. So any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, the
Then
next
ma'am, after the
sutra
final
is addition.
examination,
Say one by one.
Ma'am, the next sutra is still addition.
Yes, the next sutra is also addition. Okay, but it is the addition. Remember, we used to do 100 minus 1 and those things. So this sutra is related to that. Okay, this sutra is related to that thing only. Okay, that we take the base. 1 second. We take the base numbers. Okay, we form it using the numbers which are multiples of 10. Okay, like 10, we take 10, we take 100, we take 1000, 10,000 as the base. Okay, and then do the addition. All right, I'll just give you an overview. In detail, we will do it tomorrow. Okay, so this sutra is known as Sutra Niklayam. Okay, it's another method for addition known as Sutra Niklayam. Okay, where the additions of numbers around base or sub base can be done easily. Okay, now these are done using the bases, like I said. Okay, and bases are like in two parts. Okay, the major bases and the sub bases. Okay, so what are the main bases that we take? They are 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, and so on. What can be the sub bases? Sub bases are also multiples of 2. 10. Okay, 20, 30, 40, okay, or 200, 300, okay, or 2000, 3000, and so on. Okay, so these are known as the sub bases. All right, now in this sutra, we can use either the basis or the sub basis to find out the answer. Okay, so let's try out one question. If you want to write this down, you can write it
written ma'am.
written. Okay, so I'm clearing the screen. Okay, now moving on to our question, we have add 427 and 99. Okay, now we are going to take, since 99 is close to which number? It's close to 100, right? So we can take 100 as the base. So it becomes 427. How will we get 99 with 100? It will be 100 minus 1. Right. So plus 100 minus 1. Okay. Now we will take 100 together with 427 and then take 1 separately. 427 plus 100. Okay. And then we take minus 1. Okay. So 427 plus 100 is how much?
Ma'am, 527.
27, good.
So ma'am, 526.
526. First, it will be 527. Okay. And then from it, we'll do minus 1. Okay. And then we will get 526. Okay. We will get 526.
Well, this is too complicated.
Yes, but when you practice, it will become simpler. Okay. How do we choose the basis? Suppose I have a number
Ma'am, I think
597. Okay. Take a look at the second number and see to what 100 it will be close to. To what 100 it will be close to. 597 is close to what? 600.
600.
Okay. So can we do 725 plus 600 minus 3? Yes, because 600 minus 3 is gonna give us 597. Okay, so we can do 600 minus 3. So this we have taken a base. Okay, and here we have taken a sub base. 600 is known as what? A sub base. So if we have to
ma'am,
take a base, yes, Abraham, 1 second. If we have to take a base or a sub base, that depends on our second number. Okay, if it is closer to a base or a sub base. So both you can use. You can use a base or you can use a sub base. Okay, yes, now ask.
ma'am, is
Hmm.
it is the answer 1322?
1322 of this question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Abraham, 1322 is the correct answer. Okay, so it becomes 725 plus 600 minus 3. Okay, so 1325 minus 3, 1322 will be the answer. Okay, so we will stop here right now, and tomorrow we will try out with 3-digit numbers. Okay, how do we calculate using this sutra Nikalam with 3-digit numbers? Okay, and we will try out some questions. We'll practice some questions tomorrow. Okay, today's homework is 19.1. Please try practice 19.1. Share. Okay.